Today, Discover Arizona presents Biosphere 2.0. In this video, we're going to take a walk around the premises and through the biosphere itself. We begin our journey after we check in by following the guided tour on our phone via the mobile app. Anyone can download and listen to these step-by-step tours of the property. Alright, first up we head up to the Scenic Overlook, and the views are absolutely amazing. This area has served many owners over the years before it became Biosphere 2.0, and as we listen to the audio we learn about the animals, vegetation, and how the land has been preserved over time. Next up, they give us a brief history lesson on the space biosphere ventures and surrounding buildings before we head through a small art exhibit on our way over. The next stop was a ton of information. We learned about the 2-year project that was taken on by the scientists as an experiment to see if they could live sustainably in the biosphere. However, after a year and a half, they saw a large drop in oxygen levels. This was caused by the microbes in the soil that were using more oxygen, and the farming process was not producing what they had expected in terms of vegetation. So, for the safety of the biospherians, they added the oxygen. However, they were not forthcoming with this information and did not tell public that it was done, causing a lot of controversy, and they lost credibility with the media and the public. After, in 2007, University of Arizona assumed management and transitioned the property to be used as a large-scale science experiment. With a large variety of plant species from all over the world, they can now simulate different environments to affect growth and see how the plants adapt to different temperatures or with higher oxygen levels. This next stop covered how they also experiment with harvesting electricity with growing of the agricultural crops. The plants help give off water to cool the panels and help make them more efficient, while the panels protect and shade the plants, making them grow more as well. As we enter the lower habitat facility, we are greeted with the orchard and a wide variety of plants and trees. We learn about how the biospherians use these trees to produce coffee and fruits for their own daily use. However, they quickly learned it was harder to produce than what they'd originally planned, so they were limited by their supply. As we make our way outside, we will get a brief look at LEO, which is the Landscape Evolution Observatory. This is the world's largest laboratory experiment in the earth sciences field and consists of 3 artificial landscapes contained in the 3 adjacent bays. We also see the energy station used to provide power to cool off the observatory, and the lungs to help produce oxygen within.
Snakes are here.
The desert was designed to simulate an arid coastal fog desert and has adapted over the years to grow alternative species of plants and test alternative crop growth methods. Without a tropical forest and an ocean located within the lab, this environment would not have been successful. Alright, and as you might have guessed, we are coming up to the ocean.
700,000 gallons.
Wow. There's 700,000 gallons of water there?
This is the world's largest experimental ocean and is currently under renovations to support a healthy coral reef. They'll be focusing on testing solutions to aid in the coral reef crisis. Obviously, the plants in the area love the extra humidity. Alright, speaking of humidity, we make our way to the last stop, the rainforest.
Woohoo! This looks cool. We're in the Amazon. Look at these bamboo.
The current rainforest system houses about 98 different species of plants and some insects. The plants that have survived are so successful that the scientists have to continuously trim them back from the glass.
Look at that huge banana tree. Yeah, it's super humid.
We had a blast exploring this facility and would do it again. Thanks for watching, like, and subscribe.